Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited for you to see what is in store for today, but before we do that, I'd like to ask you to please subscribe to my channel before you leave, and let's get started. So today is actually a requested video from one of my friends here on YouTube, so thanks for that. She requested that I use my BH Cosmetics Galaxy Chic palette. So this is what the packaging looks like. And this is what the back looks like. This is what the front looks like. And I'm gonna take that out before I show you the palette. And this is what it looks like on the inside. Isn't she gorgeous? So of course I have two eyes, so I'm gonna do two different looks. So, cause that's like what I normally would do. So there's definitely a lot you could do with this. You could go with like a more purpley look, or you could do teal, reds, oranges, browns. There's kind of like a big variety of things you could do. I don't know what to do because there's so many different things you can do with this palette. I know it's like all shimmers, and I'm just gonna use all the shimmers. I'm not gonna use any other palette to do a look. But I'll try to do like maybe use some of these like browns down here, just use like some more natural colors, and then maybe some of the teal or something. I'm not really sure. I don't really have a game plan here, but we'll just roll with the punches. But this is the palette I'm going to be using. She requested that I do a video using this palette, so here we are. Well, I'm going to start off by mixing Mars and Asteroid, which are two of the browns in the palette. And I'm gonna put those in the crease. Normally you try to stay away from putting shimmery shades or glittery shades in the crease, but that's what we're gonna do today because I don't want to use any other palette because she requested I use this palette. So I'm only gonna use this palette for the looks. And I'm gonna go on top of those and a little bit above the crease with Mercury. And then I'm going to use a little bit of Sun on the brow bone. And of course, if you wanted, you could just stop there and you could leave it like kind of like a naturally brown shimmery look. Or you could amp it up a little by going in with the shade Moon. And I'm just going to use my finger and put that on the inner part of the lid. Going with the shade Pluto, and I'm going to use that on the middle to outer part of the lid. It does kind of have a little bit of fallout, as you can see, like under my eyes, so you want to be aware of that. Maybe you should do your eye makeup before you do your face makeup with this palette. And to zhuzh the look up a little bit more, I'm going to go in with shade Electra. And I'm going to put that in the lower lash line. And I'm going to mix that with a little bit of Earth. Then I'm going to highlight the inner corner and brow bone with a mixture of Comet and Meteor. Since I don't really have just like a plain shimmery shade, these are all shimmery shades, I'll just use that just very lightly. And just like a pinch on the brow bone, not anything too crazy because I kind of already used the Sun color, just like a little bit, and on the inner corner a lot. So I'm going to try to use a lot of like the top row and maybe these two colors just so I can use some of the purples and reds and things like that. So I'm going to go in with the shade Sun just to start in the crease. Just to have a little bit of a shade down to start with before I go in with one of the darker colors. I'm going to go in with the shade Jupiter and put some of that in the crease. I'm going to mix the shade Prometheus and Aphrodite, and I'm going to put those in over the crease also, in the crease and a little bit over is what I was trying to say. Just mix it with that red that I initially laid down. I'm gonna go in the outer crease with Venus. Just focusing that out here. And then I'm going to mix Milky Wave and Cosmic. Milky Way. I think I accidentally said Milky Wave, I don't know why. And I'm gonna put those on the inner part of the lid. Just right here to the middle. I'm gonna mix Saturn and Sun, and I'm gonna put those on the outer part of the lid. Right here. Mixing them with the purple shades just to make sure that they blend together. Cosmic to highlight the inner corner and brow bone. Now I'm going to put Mars in the lower lash line. And that's the look on the other side. These are both of the looks finished. So of course you could add lashes, liner, mascara, things like that, but I'm just gonna stop here. Of course, if you get this palette, you definitely don't have to use every shade for a look. You could definitely just add a pop of color with these, with your normal palettes that you already have, or you can do like what I did. I also wanted to make this look even more intense, so I'm gonna use my Wet n Wild Mega Last Liquid Catsuit matte lipstick in shade Widow's Peak, which is a matte black shade, and then I'm gonna use one of the eyeshadows, I'm not really sure which, to like highlight it. So I'm gonna apply the lipstick. So I think I decided that I wanted to go in with the shade Cosmic, and that's the one I'm gonna use to highlight this lipstick. So of course you could just have went in the center and been done with it, but I decided to do the whole lips, so. Thank you so much for requesting this video, and if you guys have any video requests, please let me know so that I can put them in a video for you guys and do a video for you guys. I really love when you guys request videos and would love for you guys to continue to request videos, and if you haven't, you definitely should. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any video suggestions, please comment them down below. My Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter are @GlamGirlGray. See you next time.